everybody, welcome to Frogs Point Honey. Today we're going to do a little hot sauce review. I've got myself here some delicious looking stuff. This is a Black Cherry Abyss by Irish Spikes. So I've known Spike on Facebook for a while, but haven't met him in person. I haven't tried his sauces, and I thought now would be a good time to do that. And oh, there's a piece of paper underneath the label. This is your fortune. There's absolutely nothing to hide. There's absolutely nothing hiding under your bed. No need to look. My lucky numbers are a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I agree. And there's a comic on the back, which I guess you'll have to buy your own sauce to read. All right, so here we go. This is Irish Spikes Black Cherry Abyss. So it's got black cherry, dark chocolate, red wine, habanero. It smells very spicy. It smells like a good hot sauce. The ingredients: cherries, red wine vinegar, habaneros, dark chocolate, lemon juice, red wine, salt, sugar, arrowroot, onion, garlic, black pepper, thyme, allspice, and xanthan gum. It is vegan and gluten-free. Let's see how this goes. We're gonna put on a good amount. That's close to a teaspoon anyway, and it smells very spicy. It smells good. I'm not picking up a whole lot more than the peppers. I don't really smell the cherries. Let's see how it tastes. That is lovely. It's got a lot of sweetness to it, actually. That first ingredient, being cherries, doesn't really come across in the aroma, but the flavor, it really does have a nice cherry hit, a little bit of tang of the vinegar. It's spicy. It's not crazy spicy. The chocolate is kind of a lingering after effect, which is very nice. Yeah, overall, this is a really solid sauce. I think this would be really good on anything sweet, any kind of dessertish type thing, or on a spoon. It's really good. I'm going to have some more. It's really fantastic. Well done, Spike. That's lovely.